Hallo? Damn, die microfoon. Niet veel geruis. Hallo? Damn, die microfoon. Niet veel geruis.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I do have a feeling like gold is still going to reverse here. Um, yeah, I think it's like, I don't think that, like, we'll see a small reverse, I think, at these levels. I got stopped out though. Yeah, I waited for this liquidity grab, and then, I mean, when I'm looking at it right now, there's like, I feel like it's still going to reverse here, so maybe I should have waited for any signs of a reversal. I'm actually not too sure about this. Yeah, maybe like we could go back to the level. I actually think we could. I actually think this might just be a fake breakdown of this level, which, like, you could see like as an order block, so it moved like pretty aggressively off this line. Of course, it was in the morning, so it's not really as effective as on a little bit higher volume, but still something. It's not too clear. Probably probably if you get like a confirmation of the break of this like short-term trend, then it could like provide like a good risk to reward. I'm not too sure about yeah, the risk to reward might be good. I don't know like the chance of winning this trade, if that is like great. So here we see like the break of that trend, and then we'll basically, what I would look for is like maybe a break till here, and then maybe a bounce right here. Might actually be a bounce to here if it goes higher. We'll see. We'll just keep it up. We're still in oil as well. Looks like we're actually going to get stopped out on this one. I mean, we're getting close. You actually see like the same type of structure here, like very likely to the gold situation. Probably entered too fast today in both trades. I'll actually see. Actually, it's not too clear what's going to happen here. It's like, might actually hold this level as well. We saw the flush on higher volume, but I always like to see, yeah, you can see on those 5-second candles where like a lot of volume came in. Basically this level, so I retested it right here. So normally I wouldn't even draw this level out, but it seems like a pretty significant just on the short term like resistance. What can we see? Not too much actually. There's like not actually too much to see here. I mean, the reason I go long already is because like this entire drop was like on pretty, I mean this, yeah, like this move, I mean this entire move happened like on no volume, then it like fell down on like no volume, so where the volume is right here, so around this actually area there's like a lot of volume, and I actually might put my stop under this level. I took some profit off earlier, so So I can risk just a little more on this one, but not too much, you know. Why do I move my stop? It's like I can see this breaking down, but if we're still bullish, then it shouldn't be like a big. I think it will be a liquidity grab, seeing off, like basing myself off what I see. So, I mean, if this level here can't hold, like this was actually the candle that, as of this candle, right, we pushed up on like high volume. So that's actually why I kind of respect the candle. So the main level we want to keep is actually, I put it down a little bit, is like literally this 25 level. As long as we keep that, it's like not that easy. Like as soon as like this breaks out, I'm gonna move my stop back higher again, and it looks like it's going to actually. So yeah, that's the breakout of that level. So I actually want my stop loss to be a little bit more tight right now again. I'm not aiming for this level as a TP, like that's risk to reward based, it's way too short for me. Like I'm a trader, like I take more losses, like significant more amount of losses. But my winners should be big. Like the problem is I'm saying like should be big, because I don't always have like the mental fucking patience to wait for that level, even though it often goes to my upper level. So I got 6 contracts and I think you're taking micros, right? Micros. 6 micro contracts, and the first level is this, that one, and then we'll go for the highest level. So we'll keep 3 contracts to go aim for that highest target here. The thing is like where you wanna like move some off the table. I mean you can pretty much choose it yourself. I actually want one sell limit here, and then I actually keep only 2 contracts for that last level. So we see that we break this downtrend, and yeah, the move is actually starting a bit. So this is moving pretty much like I expected it to. We can still get stopped out. Like it's not like impossible. But for now we're looking okay. Which means like we can adjust the stop loss a little bit. But we're looking okay right now. We're moving up actually. Let's see it on the 1 hour, just the 1 hour close. Yeah, pretty much now we got a close on the 1 hour. So this basically confirms for me like if there's any support around this level here, I mean that's it. Like we close the 1 hour. So actually if it breaks down right now, then I'm like okay, whatever, it just continues the downtrend. But yeah, I mainly trade like reversal trades, and the danger of that, there's certainly like a danger attached to it. Like the danger is that like you try to aim for the bottom too much. Like let's say for example, and I mean that's just like you gotta win more trades than you lose, like with a good risk to reward. Like let's say I was wrong about this level and it actually comes down here. Oh well. Then I actually entered way too early. But I feel like when market opens, maybe we test again like this zone. And then we'll see, put it $1 lower. I gotta give it some room. I never give it enough room. It's something I actually gotta work on. Actually the gold trade is, I don't know if it's exactly doing what I said. Not yet, but we basically get this break, right? So that's this movement. It actually will probably go up to here somewhere. So actually this would have been a great trade. yeah, I expected to maybe retest right here. So actually this was like picture perfect example, um, where this zone is basically the liquidity grab, and normally like even on the 5 minute you should, yeah, you see like all the resistance on those long wicks, and I actually get a push higher. So the level I would have aimed for um, was probably the first target would have been here. So that's actually unfortunate. Like I said, I think we entered the trade too quick. I re-entered it once and took a loss again, and then basically then I saw the break of the structure. I was like, damn, now I should enter. I didn't. Yeah, that's how trading goes. It's like a way to prevent me from emotional trading as well. Because like if I enter like re-enter like a third time, then I mean I just can keep on going like entering a million times. So that's not like what we're going to do. So here as well we actually get the picture in a way shaped, and that was like the breakdown of this structure and then the retest basically. So to me, oil, it's basically confirmed. We see some higher volume pouring in because it's 3 p.m. At least where I live, it's 3 p.m. And yeah, I always like think in my own time zone. Like a lot of traders like keep talking like even though they don't live in America, they keep talking about like this open London hour, London open, New York open. Well, for me it's just 3 p.m. And yeah, I think we will push higher. I actually think we will push at least to this level. Um, it's 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 easy to get like um, start dotting like your own play mid mid play. Like it's like, oh no, is it going there? Is it going there? Um, thing is, I actually want to just for risk. I'm actually going to take one off probably earlier than expected. Um, so I'm actually going to market sell one. I actually only want 5 contracts most of the time. So once I see like an a 1-to-1 risk to reward, I take off every contract that is exceeding the normal amount of contracts that I would normally trade, if that makes sense. So yeah, we're actually just chilling in the trade. I'm going to get some food, I think, and yeah, we're pretty much chilling right now. We only risk $100 on this one. Should we go to these levels and everything, I will adjust the stop loss, as in like a trailing stop loss myself. We knew here like there was some resistance right here. We checked it on actually checked it on the 5 second, and we saw some like really around this level, those points. We actually saw some really relatively big, you see, 5 second candles, red ones, which indicates like it was mostly selling pressure around these points with a high amount of trades going in. So yeah, I mean this is like, now we just gotta stay in the trade. Let's check out gold again. Oh my god, we got fucking faked on gold. Damn. That's why I don't re-enter a third time. So what happened here is I'm actually going to check my economic calendar. I know there wasn't like too many very specific things. So actually I don't really know where this is coming from. Yeah, but this is ugly. Like this nah, you should really go out of your lungs here. And then at this point, like when I'm looking at gold, I'd look at like the 370 level. So I'm not saying we will get there today, but I actually there actually might be a there might be a chance we do. Otherwise, I think it's more of like this 80 level. Um, we might find some buyers. Um, I mean, this move was like really surprising. If this is like another fake and it fakes again, then it's like crazy. But um, yeah, this is not what I expected, especially like vroom vroom and breaking this level, where it like was building some volume, some support. Um, yeah, especially in combination with we reclaimed that level. Of course, we were in a downtrend, but yeah, you get when you're. That's the thing. Like when you're trading against the trend, which is fine in my opinion. Like I do it as well. Like it's you you can get caught in like a bad trade and keep trying to find the top or the bottom. So unless you don't do that, it's often like an easy scalp when you say like, okay, I know the trend is down, let's get an easy move. This one, to be honest, if you look at risk to reward, let's say you put your TP here, then you would have, right? Would have. Yeah, I would have put it like $1 above, so I wouldn't have hit my TP anyway. Um, so I'm actually going to grab some food and then I just keep my oil trade open, so you can watch it, look at that in the meantime. Definitely, if you're in the live stream and you got any questions or like trade ideas or um, anything, feel free. Yeah, feel free to talk. I mean, the thing that was correct about this was the breakout, and then we got the jump up, and then we should have got the retest, right? This should have been like the retest. Now it's like doing this. Like if it does that, like what I thought it would do is completely invalid, so it doesn't even matter anymore. So just curious. I often like to keep it up, right? And then when I keep my joints up, I can see like, okay, like what did I expect exactly and what is happening. I'm not in this trade, so it doesn't really matter, but it's always nice to do some analysis anyways. Okay, so we took one off. I almost forgot that actually. We took one off earlier. We're actually doing one market. I'm actually bullish here, you know. I gotta be confident about it. Like, I'm still bullish here. So we added one contract. Like, as long as like this zone just stays alive, right? I'm just going to check if there's like an important like weekly lineup level. So there isn't really like one. Okay, so we got the close. Yeah, that doesn't even matter. That doesn't even matter. You know, if my yeah, we just closed the monthly. So the thing is, the open of the previous monthly was like the 72 level. What I do see happening, even if like we're just comparing months right now, and this is like a level I've drawn out, like it's another Fibonacci level as well. The only thing I do see happening, if it breaks down, like I see so much like bullish volume coming in and structure even. If this breaks down, then it will be sad because I don't want to like move my stop loss like the double amount. But what will probably happen then is, well, I think if it breaks down, we'll probably bounce at 72. I don't think that after this structure we will like go completely down. It's not really what I expected to do. What you see now is like I'm just going to remove any excessive drawings right now. We basically see trading within this range, and yeah, a break up or a breakdown will probably decide where this is going. So another thing is like, because of the build up in price action here, I'm actually, if it's going the right way, right, I'm actually going to move this stop up, because I mean once this breaks, this will just be an easy attained level, and we broke the down structure. So I actually would want it to be like one of those higher levels to take profit. But yeah, it's trading. To be honest, it's trading pretty odd right now. And then we'll check out. Yeah, this will see a push to here probably. That's really anything. And then we have gold. So what the fuck is happening on gold? Gold is like has no clue today, and so like. Yeah, I mean. Yeah, we should we should still move up, right, guys? We should, right? Yeah, we should. Okay. Oh. Wait, where the fuck? Wait, where did I click that?